Hi, everybody. We'll be learning about menus today, and I'm so excited.
And because it's Mother's Day,
we are going to write Happy Mother's Day! It looks so cool and amazing. It is literally my favorite art I've ever done. Hi guys! So this is activity 2 of our science project! So the topic we're going to do today is what's inside your body? And the activity we're going to do is Lungs Mockup. So the things we are going to need are straws, tape, scissors, and 2 plastic bags. But by the way guys, you can use any color. So this is what's in the kit. We have yellow and red. So that's all of the things we need guys. So now let's wait for teacher Jovy.
hi friends! Can you all wave your hands? Even if you don't see me physically, but I am very happy that you are with me. Hi everyone! It's another rainy afternoon of fun learning and discovery with Ayala Malls and Playgos. And once again, this is Teacher Giovanna, and I will be with you as we will learn something new. If your child knows how to encode or type the buttons, maybe you can tell them to put their names on the comment section below so that I can say hi to them. Last week, we had Kuya James. Can you remember what we did with Kuya James? Remember this? Shall we try that again? One more time. Whoa! Woo! Wow! Magic magnet. Now, how about we sing our theme song for the month of May? Observe, compare, and predict. We can do experiments too. Science, science, let's love science. Let's have fun with science today. Hooray! Now, time for us to call our friend. Shall we all count to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Peekaboo! Hi!
Hi, Teacher Giovanna. Hi, little scientist.
Hi! What's your name?
Hi, little scientist. My name is Ate Jade. Hi, Anya.
What brought you here?
I am here to ask you a question, Teacher Giovanna. Do you know what's inside your body? Today, we will look at some of the special organs inside our body. Hi, my friends. Now, do you want to play a game? What can you see? Can you see what I can see? Now, let's count. I can see 1, 2 hearts. Do you know what organ is this that helps process the gas exchange called respiration? Yes, you are correct. Very good. This says heart. Yes, it says heart. We also have, now, do you have any idea now, Teacher Giovanna?
Oh, wow! Ate J, that looks super duper interesting. And guess what, Ate J? I just knew that your bladder can collect at least like this 2 cups of urine. So again, and hold this much. Oh, super stinky, Ate J. Among all the body organs that you showed, which one do you like best? For me, Ate Jade, I like my lungs. Anya also said heart.
Yes.
What else do you like? Ready, everyone? Inhale. You know what? Maybe we can do a lungs mock-up today. Who likes science, everyone? If you like science, please share your thoughts so that we can read it. Anya says he likes science. We need you to show us your 4 straws. Anya says science is like magic, but it's real. Wow.
Yo. You got a gift, my friend.
This is what you will need to do. At the Jade, you can show it to all our friends as well, okay?
Yes.
So I need you to prepare your straws. I need you to put the straw together, okay? If you find it a little tough or difficult, maybe you can ask help from mommy, tita, tito, lolo, lola, anyone at home, okay? Put them together just like this. And once you place the straws together, we want you to prepare your clear tape, okay? Just like this, you see? Clear tape. And I need you to attach 2 straws together. So I am going to cut it here. Again, when you use a pair of scissors, you have to make sure that you use it properly because it's a little dangerous. You need to prepare your plastic bag, okay? I need you to cut the handle part. Once again, I need you to cut the handle part. So this is a little tricky and it's a little slippery. So maybe you can ask help from people around you, okay? This one needs assistance. So maybe adults, you can help your child at home. Oh, you see? Can you attach the straw here? You see? Put the straw inside. Yes, just a little part of it. Secure this side. Make sure that the air won't be able to pass through, okay? Secure it with a tape. More tape, please. Shall we do it, friends? Let's see. Ta-da! 1 part done. How are you, Ate Jade?
I'm also done, Teacher Giovanna. Look.
So once you are done, if you have made 2, all you need to do is put them together. This part as well. Let's ask them, how are you? Have you done your lungs mock-up? This is very long, but we will show it to you soon, okay? Ta-da! I made mine. How about yours, Ate Jade?
I'm also done, Teacher Giovanna. Look.
After the session, you can draw mouth, you can draw esophagus, and you can draw lungs, okay? I'm done. Anya is done. Thank you so much. Who else is done? So that we can blow it together. If we need time, maybe we can sing a song. Shall we sing our theme song, Ate Jade? Science, science, let's love science. Let's have fun in every day. As well as Anya, they are all done. Now, how do we test if our lungs will work? I need you. Maybe I will stand up so that I can show it to you. Blow, friends, blow. Wow, my lungs are perfect. How do you take good care of your body? Eat healthy food. Drink water according to Anya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And because they just celebrated their 10th year birthday, why not we sing them a birthday song? Do you like to sing a birthday song? Ready, everyone? Clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Abriza. And that's it for today. And this is Teacher Giovanna. And who's with me?
This is Ate Jade.
And we are from Play Goals. And once again, thank you so much, Ayala Malsa Briza, for allowing us to do this. And of course, mummies, daddies, everyone at home, and of course, our little scientists, thank you so much for today. A big hooray for you. Spend your Sunday beautifully. Goodbye, everyone. Have a nice Sunday, friends. Bye, friends.
I had so much fun today, guys, and I learned all about the body, and we made this. And if you're wondering what are these are lungs. They're very cool. You blow them. So guys, I learned a lot about lungs, and I think the lungs mock-up was really cool. And I think that's all for today, guys. So please subscribe, like this video, and share. Bye, guys.